I present 12 rules of becoming the best version of yourself. There's only one you, okay? Because there's no one like you. And once you understand who really that person is, you would have taken the first step in finding your unique self. And that is the best version of you. And rule number 2 is be fearless. Let your dreams fly. Give them wings. Be who you want to be just by being fearless. Now, opportunities. Do we recognize them? Our job is to recognize them and make sure I work so hard that I squeezed every drop out of these opportunities. Rule number 3, it's called ambition. So no matter where you are in life, is you have never arrived enough to explore new opportunities. And there's nothing wrong with being ambitious. So rule number 4, be greedy. Be greedy for your ambitions. Be hungry for it. Don't live on someone else's benchmarks. Don't let anyone or any situation dictate to you who you are and who you can be. Fight for your dreams, because no one else is going to fight for your dreams except you. So rule number 5, do not compromise. Do not settle on your dreams. You will fail. It's just how it is. And there's nothing that you can do to stop that. It's what you do after that'll define where you go. Because the only way to push failure aside is to move ahead. Not ignore it, analyze it, and learn from it. Rule number 6, fail, fail, fail again, and then rise like a phoenix. I've always believed that you have to take risks, calculated, educated risks, to evolve. Because if you've not truly explored the full extent of your possibilities, you'll always remain stagnant. Rule number 7, be bold and take these risks. Now, friends, family, the people you work with, the people around us are our greatest influencers in your journey to success. So you have to choose very wisely. Rule number 8, surround yourself with the right people who do not stab you in the back. Rule number 9, you can never please everyone all the time. No matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. They don't matter. Rule number 10, don't take yourself too seriously. We're not making rockets. All right? Calm down, have fun, and just enjoy this beautiful journey that we've been put on. Because we have one world, and it's ours. And we need to heal it, and that starts with us. Rule number 11, give back. And finally, the most important one, rule number 12, don't ever forget your roots and where you came from. Always remember where you came from. It's truly what defines you. Life's journey is not to arrive at your graveside safely in a well-preserved body, but rather to skid in sideways, completely worn out, and say, holy shit, that was a ride. That is how I want to go. So to sum up this incredible journey that I have been on, I stand before you today, weathered by life, but happy and raring to do so much more.